facing a Face ID failure on your iPhone. This can happen for several reasons, including software glitches, incorrect settings, or even a hardware issue with the true depth camera. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix this problem and get your Face ID working again. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check out this quick setting. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Face ID and Attention. Just enable Require Attention for Face ID. Attention-aware features also enable haptic on successful authentication. If these options are already enabled, then turn these off and turn these back on again. After that, go back to main screen. Swipe down to open Control Center. Tap and hold Brightness slider. Turn on True Tone. Solution 2. Check hardware test for Face ID related issues. Go to App Store. Type Check My Device. Install and open these apps. Scroll down. Find out Face ID test. Tap Begin Test. Check if your Face ID works from here or not. If this doesn't work, this could be a hardware issue. In that case, you need to go to AppleCare. But before you do, try these two quick settings. Solution 3. Reset Face ID. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter passcode. Scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. After resetting, tap Setup Face ID and follow the prompts to set it up again. This can help fix any recognition issues that may have developed. Solution 4. Update and give a reset all settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Go to General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new software update, then update it. If there is no software update, then go back. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any Face ID issues on your iPhone. However, if the problem continues, it could be a hardware-related issue, and reaching out to Apple support would be the best next step. I'd love to hear if these steps worked for you, or if you have any other questions or concerns. Feel free to drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help.